This is how to withdraw good dollar to the currency of your country. You can see this is money you get for free on this website. You can convert this good dollar to Nigerian naira, and this is possible for any currency in the world. This crypto is listed on the exchange with steady growth since inception. This is my current balance, and I've done multiple withdrawals. I've withdrawn 14,000, 14,000, 10,000, 23,000, 68,000, and I'm still getting for free up to today. Use the link below the description of this video. You will get minimum of 500 good dollar right now, but that will be after you must have claimed your daily good dollar. All you need to do is to come to this place, claim for this, come to this place, claim for this by clicking this button, claim. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. So how do you withdraw and cash out good dollar? Let's do it. The first thing you need to do is to connect your good dollar to MetaMask. You can see this good dollar account is already connected and added to MetaMask. You can see this balance is the same as this. The next thing you need to ensure you have enough funds in your Celo account. On MetaMask, you can only buy and send token. On Celo network, I cannot swap, I cannot bridge. To effectively cash out your good dollar cryptos into cash in your country, there are so many ways to achieve this, but the way and the route I'm going to take is to get another crypto wallet. You can watch this video of how I connected my good dollar to MetaMask. You'll be able to know how to set up Celo and good dollar under Celo network using any crypto wallet of your choice. My choice of crypto wallet to do the task for me is Bitkeep. Bitkeep wallet is one of the few wallets that support and that can help you swap good dollar to Celo and to the exchange of your choice. If you use my link and invite code, which is below the description of this video, you are going to get $5 worth of castle. It's going to help you offset gas fee. You can see, so you are going to get $5 worth of castle. This is my invite code, and this link will help you to have access to great cryptos with a lot of airdrops that will give you access to free cryptos every day. So the next thing to do after you must have set up your Bitkeep crypto wallet is to come here, click on good dollar that you are going to transfer from inside your MetaMask. So you click send. So you go and pick your Bitkeep receipt good dollar token address. This is Bitkeep wallet. You click good dollar inside Bitkeep wallet. You click receive because this is where you are sending your good dollar to. You copy the good dollar token address for the transfer you are expecting from your good dollar wallet inside MetaMask. You go back to MetaMask. You paste the address here. This is your good dollar Bitkeep address. That is where you are sending the good dollar to. So you can observe something here. You can see estimated fee is this. So this is why you have to ensure you have enough fee, and you can do that by using good DApp. You can get Celo as a fee by exchanging your good dollar inside DApp by swapping. Alternatively, you can ask somebody to send you Celo. For now, I've gotten the address and the amount I'm sending. I have enough fee to cover it. So all I need to do is to scroll down and click send. You can see amount plus gas fees is this. So all you need to do is to confirm. You can see it's pending, and look at it, confirm transaction. Look at it, it has gone. Look at the debit. You can see this is the account of where the debit was done. If I refresh now, this balance has gone. The amount has been deducted, and you can see this is the debit shown in red inside your good dollar wallet. You have sent the good dollar to your good dollar private wallet, which is Bitkeep in this case, where we are going to now transfer the money to your choice of exchange to cash out to any currency of your choice in your country. The next step is to do the final transaction inside Bitkeep. This is Bitkeep wallet. After it is launched, you can see the environment how it is. That is my Celo balance. The objective here is to convert the good dollar to Celo so that I can now move Celo to my choice of exchange. So I will click good dollar. You can see my good dollar total balance 9,800. I've done some other transfer before. I can swap good dollar to Celo on Bitkeep wallet, which is not possible for me on MetaMask. That is the essence of going through all this process. This is my Celo balance. You can note it now. I will click swap. I have to select the total amount I want to swap to Celo. It will give me this total amount. You can note the pricing because there is going to be fee taken. You must ensure you have enough Celo to take the fee because you are under Celo network. I'm just swapping within BitKeep wallet. So I will click confirm. You can see the estimated fee that is going to take. You click next. I will authorize. Then you click OK for final swap. The Good Dollar is exchanged to Celo. The swapping is done and now I have $2 plus. You can see the Good Dollar is zeroized. Celo is now 4.8. So the next stage is to now send this Celo to my choice of exchange. I'm going to click on Celo Crypto. For you to send this Celo to Binance, you click send. When you click send, this is where you are going to put your Celo crypto address from Binance. So you go to Binance to pick the Celo crypto address where your crypto is going. My best choice platform is Binance. You see the link to join Binance below the description of this video. You click deposit. You type Celo. You can see Celo, you pick it. Then you select Celo as network. So all you need to do is to copy the address. You now go back to BitKeep wallet to paste the address. The next thing you do is to type the number of Celo you are sending to the exchange, 4.8, so that there is going to be fee that is going to be required. So the remaining amount will serve for as fee and for subsequent transaction. So you click confirm. After everything is okay, then you can see you click confirm also. The next thing you click confirm, you can see the gas fee. That's the charges. It's very minute. That's why I like Celo. You click confirm. I will authorize. Then you click OK. The transaction is done. So the transfer has been effected. You can see the balance has been deducted and you can see this is the transaction detail in my BitKeep wallet. I can now go to confirm this on Binance. You can see the amount has been deducted too. You can see Binance has also sent me an email alert. Your deposit of 4.8 Celo are now available. This is inside Binance. Okay, this is the transaction on Binance, evidence that the amount is received. Look at it. The next thing you are doing now is to convert the Celo to your choice of cryptos, either for your investment or you can also keep Celo on your exchange. There are some exchange that will collect your Celo and they will give you interest. You see the link below the description of this video. So you select Celo because that's where your money is now. Look at this Celo. I will swap between Celo and Ethereum. You can make a choice of any cryptos of your choice. That's the total Celo you have. You view the conversion. If it's okay for you, you convert. This is exchange from Celo to Ethereum, which you can do for any of your choice of crypto. So I'll be able to convert from Celo to Ethereum on Binance platform. So the next thing to do is to transfer this money to your account in your country. You can do that through P2P exchange on Binance. You have a lot of currency of different countries. All you need to do is to choose your country. So I've decided to choose NGN, which is Nigeria currency. So this is the rate for Nigerian naira per dollar. Look at different banks. Good Dollar is legit and you can actually get your money in your country, most especially in Nigeria. And this is free money. So what do you think? All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to collect your Good Dollar bonus, which is 500 coin. As of today, it's for a limited time. It can be changed, it can be stopped, it can be increased, it can be reduced. So ensure you take the advantage now. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. You now know all you need to do to convert and cash out your Good Dollar in your country. You can buy, trade and hold over 350 cryptos on Binance. You can earn daily rewards on your idle cryptos. Look at high percentage of amounts you can earn. All you need to do is to sign up. Use the links below the description of this video. You start to earn a lot of bonuses investing your cryptos on these various platforms. Look at it. You can claim all these bonuses when you sign up with my link. Don't forget to drop your comment, like this video and watch the next video. You will learn how to claim Good Dollar twice every day, and the second video will help you to make money online while you do microtask jobs with your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.